Hey guys, Coach Cash here from the Commonwealth Bank Start Smart program. Coach Cash is the name and money is the game. Today I'm going to be talking to you about money. Now, not these kinds of coins and notes that you see here. We're going to be talking about electronic money. What is that, you may ask? Well, electronic money is money that is stored on a computer's banking system. So you can still use it to buy and sell things, but you can't physically touch it. There are many different kinds of electronic money, such as bank cards, vouchers, even other devices like your mobile phone. Today, I'm going to show you an example of how electronic money can be used to make a purchase using one of these. This is called a key card. Now, this little card allows me to spend my own money from my bank account. But how does the money actually go from my bank account to a shopkeeper's bank account? Let's find out. So what I have here is called a tin phone. It's an old-fashioned telephone that sends messages from one place to another. But today, we're not going to be using it as a phone. We're going to use it as something else that sends messages from one place to another. The internet, or as I like to call it, the tinternet. Let me show you how it works. So I want to buy a new pair of shoes. Now I've been doing a lot of very hard work and I've managed to save up $60. So I'm going to take that $60 to the bank and I'm going to put it in my bank account. So this money I can now access using my key card, which means that when I go shopping, I don't have to take all my cash with me. All I need to take is my key card. Now, you do need to be a certain age to get yourself a key card from a bank, so check with your grown-ups to get their permission first. Alright, so I've arrived at the shops and I see a really cool pair of rainbow runners that I think I just have to have. So I tell the shopkeeper that I'm going to be paying with my key card. Shopkeeper says no worries and holds out an EFTPOS machine. Hang on, how do I use an EFTPOS machine? Well, you might have seen your grown-ups use one of these. They might insert their card into the machine or even tap it. But for my key card, I actually need to swipe my card. So after I swipe my card, a message appears asking me to enter a PIN. So this is a really special number. It's like a password that helps keep my money safe. So I'm going to put in my PIN number, beep, 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 beep. And whoa, $40 is coming out of my bank account, transferring through the tinternet and going into the shopkeeper's bank account. I just spent $40 on a super cool pair of shoes. Now, in real life, when I spend money using my key card, do we think there's actually physical cash traveling from my bank account to the shopkeeper's bank account? No, it's all done through computers. When I swipe my key card in the EFTPOS machine, it reads my card and checks to see how much money I have in my bank account. If I have enough money, it sends a message to my bank that my bank balance, or the amount of money in my account, needs to go down by $40 because that's how much I'm spending. The bank then sends a message to the shopkeeper's bank account that their bank balance will go up by $40. Now, a key card isn't the only way to pay for things electronically. These days, you can even use your mobile phone to pay for things. Some banks let you connect your card details to the wallet app, which stores that information. You can tap your phone on that EFTPOS machine, and the money will still transfer from your bank account to the shopkeeper's bank account. There's no actual cash going from one place to another. The computer is keeping track of how much money you have and how much you are spending. Another way of using electronic money, instead of a key card or a phone, is spending money online to buy games, or even on the TV, like buying a movie to watch. Sometimes even after we've already bought a game, we might get asked to make extra purchases. Now, whether this is game money or real money, it's very important to check with your grown-ups to get their permission before you spend. I hope you have enjoyed learning about electronic money. Next time you go shopping with your grown-ups, watch them spend and see how they prefer to shop. Have a chat to them about why they might use cash or card. Thanks for watching. If you would like some more information or resources, make sure you visit startsmart.com.au. Bye for now.